No objection.
Mr. Vu, in each of the cause numbers, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Court is calling 2025 CR 006190 and 2025 CR 006189 State versus Bob Vu. Could I have parties announced?
Right, ready for the state. Attorney Bill Sims for defense.
And are you Mr. Vu?
Yes,
Counsel, in each cause number, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. And each cause number, Mr. Vu, did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
yes,
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictments as presented?
We are, Judge.
Mr. Vu, in each cause number, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
yes,
And the cause number ending in 90, you're charged with criminal mischief, $2,500 to $30,000 as a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. And the cause number ending in 89, you're charged with assault on a peace officer or judge. That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have plea bargain agreements with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your pleas and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
yes,
In each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering these pleas, you were giving up those rights?
yes,
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in each of these cause numbers?
there is no contest.
No. You have certain rights. Do you understand what your rights are?
Yes, yes,
Do you understand that you have a right to go to a jury trial?
yes,
Do you understand you have a right to have the state present witnesses to give testimony against you? And you have a right to cross-examine those witnesses. Do you understand?
yes,
You're giving up those rights to enter into this plea. Is that correct?
yes,
And is that what you want to do?
there is no contest.
Looks like, Your Honor. Your Honor, move it, please. Saying you give up whole bunch of shitty props. Do you want to move forward to do you? Is that what you want? So the answer to the question is yes, that's what you want. We talked about that. You understand?
All right. Do you understand the rights you have?
Yes,
Do you understand when you enter into a plea bargain agreement, you're giving up those rights?
yes,
And do you want to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in each of these cases?
yes,
I'm sorry?
yes,
Yeah, he said, yes, he does.
Yes.
Is that what you said? Yes, you do. All right, so the head nods, the court reporter can't take down head nods. You're gonna have to say yes or no.
yes,
All right. Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Vu, in each of these cause numbers, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
yes,
Has anyone threatened you to get you to enter these pleas?
oh, no,
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement?
no one,
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
yes,
If you're not a US citizen, by entering into these pleas, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry into the United States. Do you understand?
yes, I understand. I'm a US citizen.
Here's the thing, I'm just asking questions.
Okay.
All right.
Your
Court,
Honor, I think he's just trying to say Your Honor, and he's just mispronouncing
Yeah.
that. Like at the end of it, that's what he's trying to say is Your Honor.
I understand. I'm just asking questions. I just would like my questions to be answered. All right, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain agreement that you've reached with the state with you and your attorney?
Yes,
Okay, so in each cause number, you've agreed to a 2-year sentence. State jail felony case, You've agreed to a 2-year sentence. The case that is a second degree, you've agreed to 2 years in the prison. So one is 2 years in the state jail facility and one is 2 years in the prison. And the cases are running concurrently. Did you understand that to be your plea in each of these cases?
Yes, and
Defense,
Yes, Your Honor.
state.
It is, Judge.
All right. Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph in each of these cause numbers?
yes,
Did you understand it?
yes, and
Did you sign it in both places?
yes, and
All right. Now, by signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only thing you will be allowed to appeal on is if I've heard some type of pretrial motion. Do you understand?
yes, and
And that I've ruled on that. Do you understand?
yes, and
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then in cause number 2025 CR 006190, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
please no contest, and
Okay. And in cause number 2025 CR 006189, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
please no contest, and
All right. State, do you have any evidence to support the defendant's plea?
Yes, Judge, we offer exhibit 1 and all attachments on both cases.
No objection.
Mr. Vu, in each of the cause numbers, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it
yes, and
in all the appropriate places?
yes, and
Now, again, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or either your attorney to question any witnesses that the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Do you understand?
yes, and
Because you've entered into this plea bargain agreement, the state is not bringing any witnesses in today. They're proceeding on the police reports that are in these stipulations. Do you understand? In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. In each cause number, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty in each cause number. And in each cause number, the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
yes, and
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We'll just pray the court follow the plea agreement.
And cause number 2025 CR 006190, the court will sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 006189. State you're excused.
Thank you.
There's to be no contact with Walmart located at 8923 Military Drive. And that's 78251. And cause number 2025 CR 006189. The court will sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 006190. Counsel, was your client having a bad day that day, or what was going on?
Bad day, homeless. He thought the person was following him and harassing him, and he responded in a way that he knows that he shouldn't have responded.
All right, and the court will request the therapeutic community. The therapeutic community does not increase the time that you're in custody, but it's to help you with any issues you may have. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
yes, and
All right, because these are plea bargain agreements, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question of what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
yes, and
All right, Ms. Savu, we're off the record. Your attorney has told me that there may be some homelessness in regards to you. When you're released from custody, if I'm still here, and you can't find a place to help you with that, you come back here, I'll pick up the phone to call somebody to see if maybe the Salvation Army or Haven for Hope, or there's some other placement for you.
Yes.
All right, good luck to you, okay? You're welcome.
The gavel falls. The court calls State versus Bob Vu. He's a ghost in his own life, homeless, paranoid, convinced a shadow is trailing him. That shadow, he believes, means him harm. So when the fear becomes unbearable, he responds, not with words, but with violence. The person he attacks, however, is not a random stalker. It is a peace officer. Now Vu stands before the judge, charged with criminal mischief and assault on an officer, a second-degree felony carrying 2 to 20 years in prison. His attorney, Bill Sims, confirms he has reviewed the evidence. Vu nods, whispers no contest, and surrenders his right to a jury, to witnesses, to silence. He signs away his appeal. The state presents its exhibits, police reports, stipulations, the cold facts of the incident. The judge accepts them all. Then comes the sentence: 2 years in state jail for the mischief, 2 years in prison for the assault, served concurrently. But as the judge stamps the plea, she pauses. She looks at Vu's lawyer and asks, "Was your client having a bad day?" The answer cuts through the legal fog. Homeless. He thought the person was following him. A mind broken by the streets, a reality twisted by fear, a man who fought back against a phantom. The judge recommends a therapeutic community, not to extend his time, but to save what is left of him. In the end, Bob Vu is not a monster. He is a warning. How easily terror can turn a victim into a criminal, and how the system, even when merciful, cannot give him back what he lost long before that day.